Welcome back to the channel, y'all. It's your girl Kaylin, and today I'm gonna be doing a little something different. I will be doing an unboxing video from LeTote. You probably seen this ad before, maybe on Facebook or Instagram, and this is a subscription box where you rent clothes for however long you want, and you can return them, or you can keep all of the clothes or whatever you want for half off of the retail price. So the first month with them, they do give you 1 free month. So I am in my trial period, and I just wanted to show you guys what they're all about, the quality of the clothes, on and so forth. I haven't really seen too many YouTubers do review videos, so I thought that this would be a great opportunity for me and you guys, because like I know y'all want to know about it. Like y'all probably see it, y'all want to know some good people that's gonna give some honest review, and you come to the right place. So if you are interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned, guys. So I got the box open, and on the inside is so neatly put. There's a message that says, confidence never goes out of style. So true. Stay confident, y'all. They have a little note here. It says, hi Kaylin. Okay, they being personal. Confidence never goes out of style here. Okay, and then it says, LeTote, your tote is here. Tote sale alert. Some items in your tote are on sale exclusively for you. The sale disappears when you return your tote. So if you love it, keep it. You're eligible for your next tote on Saturday. Yada yada yada. Have your tote returned by then, and you can customize your next one immediately. And then they just have the different styles that I personally selected. Now you don't have to select the styles. If you don't, then they will automatically curate a box for you. Like I said, everything is very neatly folded. And then they also have the return bag that you send the stuff back in. Guys, so this first item is this paisley print top. It is double breast, and it is a wrap top as well. Let's see. Yeah, it's a wrap top. Looks really cute, and it has like these cuff ends on the sleeves. All right, this is so cute, y'all. Like, I can't wait. It's a size small. The original price is $89, and their price is $68. Now, y'all know me. I'm really frugal when it comes to spending, so I would never spend $68 on this because I love the thrift, but we'll see. Right, so this next item we have here definitely doesn't look brand new, but this is by Sabi, and it's just this white, really unique top. Reminds me of a button down, but it doesn't have any buttons. And then it has like a spaghetti strap, and it's off, kind of like off the shoulder. It's super wrinkly, so just kind of makes me feel like somebody has definitely worn it before, but that is to be assumed, since you know you are returning the clothes. This item here, they are selling for $5. So it does says it's 93% off. We'll see. Alright, so this next item is some burgundy trousers. They're just some straight leg pants, and I got these because I wanted to get something different. These are by August 1-8. Never heard of that brand either, but they look pretty sleek. I'm loving the color, and you can definitely tell that these are used as well, but the quality is great. They have pockets on the sides, belt loops, some fake pockets in the back. Let me see if these pockets are real. But overall, this quality is super good. They are selling these pants for $68 as well. And these are mid-rise ankle crop trousers to get, because I love pants with like patchwork or different colored tones. So here are the pants. I got them in a size 25. These are the high-rise vintage straight, and they are called the Jerry style. These were $125. Okay. Okay, girl. I do like them because they are a button fly. I love button fly jeans. I don't know, it's different. Ooh, I really like how it has the pocket on the side. Alright, and our last item, we have a blazer. I wanted a blazer just to see, you know, how I'll be able to dress up a blazer with my current style and just dress up my look a little bit better. So this will determine if I want to add more blazers to my wardrobe. This one is super cute. It's like tuxedo style, if I'm right. And then I love how the sleeves are quarter length and it's like cinched. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I really loved all the pieces. My favorite piece was this white blouse. I really love it because it's just so different. Like, I've never had a shirt like this, so I'm definitely going to be keeping it. It's only $5, so that's right up my alley. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know if y'all gonna be trying this out. Like, talk to me. I love when y'all comment and we can connect. So yes, and if you're interested, check out the description box below so that you can click my link and use my discount code so you too can try out LeTote for a free month. Alright, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.